First, select all the meshes you want to convert. Then right-click and choose Assign Skeleton. In the window that opens, select the skeleton you want to use. For best compatibility, choose Unreal Engine 5's default Mannequin skeleton, usually SK Mannequin. And that's it, the conversion is done. Now, let's quickly test it. This is a character blueprint. Your purchased project will have something like this. Select the mesh component, then in the animation section on the right, you should now be able to choose UE5 animations. If you can also assign a compatible anim blueprint, that confirms the skeleton reassignment worked. Since Manny and Quinn share the same base skeleton, mannequin animation blueprints for either one will work, as long as they're made for SK Mannequin. Finally, because the character is modular, you can freely swap or remove clothing pieces. Thanks for watching.